Tammy Slaton, the breakout star of TLC's hit reality series, 1000 LB Sisters, has once again shocked fans with a reveal that few could have predicted. After years of struggling with her weight, numerous health scares, and a long journey through rehabilitation and transformation, Tammy has taken to social media to announce the most stunning update yet, her current size. The revelation has not only sparked emotional reactions from fans but also reignited conversations about body positivity, the power of perseverance, and the complexity of extreme weight loss journeys in the public eye. Tammy's weight has been a central theme in her storyline since the show began. When 1000 LB Sisters first aired, Tammy and her sister Amy Slaton were introduced to the world as two Kentucky women whose lives had been profoundly shaped by food addiction, poverty, and the emotional toll of long-term obesity. At the start of the series, Tammy weighed over 700 pounds and was almost entirely dependent on others for her daily needs. Her mobility was severely limited, and she faced constant respiratory issues that eventually led to her being placed on oxygen. For many viewers, Tammy's situation felt dire, perhaps even hopeless. But through the seasons, fans witnessed both her darkest moments and glimpses of her fighting spirit. This latest update came in a surprise TikTok video Tammy posted from her home, where she sat confidently in front of the camera, smiling and appearing dramatically smaller than she had been in earlier seasons. The caption simply read, "I can't believe I made it to this size. Y'all, I'm now under 300 pounds. Within minutes, the video exploded across social media platforms, drawing in millions of views, shares, and emotional comments from fans who had followed her journey from the beginning. The announcement is nothing short of historic for Tammy. Dropping over 400 pounds is not just a matter of diet and exercise, it requires mental strength, consistency, medical support, and an incredible ability to resist backsliding. For someone like Tammy, whose struggles were not only physical but also deeply emotional, it took more than sheer willpower. Her journey has involved multiple stints in rehab, serious health crises including a medically induced coma, and countless moments where she nearly gave up. In past interviews, Tammy had often admitted to using food as a coping mechanism for trauma, depression, and feelings of abandonment. Fans saw her lash out at family members, push away romantic partners, and fall into dark spirals of self-doubt. But even in those moments, there was always a lingering spark, a hope that Tammy would eventually rise. Her followers never completely gave up on her, even when she seemed to have given up on herself. Now, her progress is not just visible, it's undeniable. Pictures released by close friends and behind-the-scenes footage from the show's production team show a transformed Tammy who walks with more ease, speaks with more confidence, and engages with fans in a new light. Her fashion choices have evolved, too. Once known for oversized robes and muumuus, Tammy has been seen rocking jeans, graphic tees, and even form-fitting dresses that highlight her new frame. It's not just about the numbers on the scale anymore, it's about reclaiming her life and identity. Tammy's family has been both a source of struggle and support throughout this process. Sister Amy, who also underwent bariatric surgery and lost a significant amount of weight herself, shared a heartfelt message on Instagram after Tammy's video went viral. "I'm so proud of my sister. She has gone through hell and came back stronger. We've had our fights, but I've always believed she could do it. And now she's showing the whole world what strength really looks like." Even Amanda, Mishti, and Chris, siblings who were often seen clashing with Tammy on the show, have voiced their pride and admiration for how far she has come. One of the most emotional aspects of this reveal is the fan response. Thousands have flooded Tammy's social media with messages of love and encouragement. "You are giving hope to so many people, Tammy. Keep shining," wrote one commenter. Another said, "I've struggled with my weight my whole life. Watching you fight back has inspired me to try again." Her journey has become bigger than a TV show plotline, it's a symbol of resilience for people all over the world. But this victory didn't come easy. Tammy's road included multiple failed attempts at weight loss, a terrifying health emergency that landed her in the ICU, and a rehab stint that lasted more than 14 months. During the time, she underwent therapy, changed her eating habits, began moving more, and, perhaps most importantly, started addressing her emotional trauma. According to Tammy, the mental battle was harder than the physical one. It's easy to say, just eat less, but when food is how you cope, it's not that simple, she shared in a recent interview. I had to learn how to feel my feelings and not just eat them. As she continues her transformation, many are now wondering what the next chapter looks like for Tammy. Will she consider skin removal surgery to address the excess skin that results from such a dramatic weight drop? Will she pursue new career opportunities now that her mobility has improved? And what about her romantic life? In recent months, Tammy has hinted at a possible new relationship, but has remained mostly quiet about the details. Whatever comes next, it's clear that Tammy is approaching life with a newfound sense of empowerment. There's also the matter of the show's future. 1000 LB Sisters has followed the ups and downs of the Slayton family for several seasons, and with Tammy's transformation, the tone of the show could shift dramatically. While earlier seasons were often filled with tension, tears, and breakdowns, future episodes may explore the rewards and challenges that come with maintaining weight loss and adapting to a completely new lifestyle. Fans are eager to see what that looks like, and producers are reportedly working on new storylines that reflect Tammy's current journey. Critics of the show have sometimes accused it of exploiting Tammy's pain for ratings, but this latest development has reframed the narrative. Instead of focusing solely on the struggle, viewers are now witnessing a story of redemption. It's a rare thing in reality television, an arc that leads to real-life triumph, not just temporary drama. Tammy's reveal has given fans a reason to celebrate, and it's proof that change, no matter how difficult, is always possible. Tammy herself has said she's not done yet. This is just the beginning, she stated in a follow-up video. I still got work to do, and I still got goals to reach. But I'm proud of where I'm at today. Her determination is infectious, and her vulnerability has made her a relatable figure to many who battle similar issues. Her transformation is also sparking broader conversations about how society views obesity, weight loss, and body image. While Tammy's journey has been deeply personal, it has also unfolded under the scrutiny of millions. That pressure could have broken her, but instead, she used it as motivation. Advocates for mental health and eating disorder awareness are applauding her progress and calling for a more compassionate understanding of the obstacles people like Tammy face. She's not just losing weight, she's breaking stereotypes, one expert commented. Tammy's shocking size reveal isn't just a viral moment, it's a cultural reset for anyone who's ever felt like they were too far gone to change. Her story proves that transformation is not reserved for the privileged or the perfect, it's possible even for those who've been to the brink. And as she continues to share her journey with the world, Tammy Slayton is cementing her place not just as a reality star, but as an icon of perseverance and hope. For fans who have watched her cry, struggle, laugh, and rise, this moment is more than just a milestone, it's a victory for every step she's taken toward freedom. From the confines of a hospital bed to walking tall on her own terms, Tammy Slayton's transformation is nothing short of extraordinary. And with this latest reveal, she's sending a powerful message. Don't count anyone out, not even yourself. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.